Hey, Don the Auction Professor here. I want to touch on taxes, on sales taxes. I know everybody was panicked about it last year. And as I said last year, don't worry about it. eBay would take care of it if something comes in. It's the only way I could see anything going on with collecting sales tax. And as I said, as of January 1st, 2 states already collect through eBay sales tax, Minnesota and Washington State. Now, again, most people miss this. Most people are unaware of this even being a policy, even to this day, even though they probably already shipped to some folks from these areas. If you didn't have to send an invoice, probably you didn't even know that there was tax collected, in all honesty. And these are just the first 2 states. With Minnesota, though, you don't have to worry because they're not going to collect taxes from anybody unless you've sold more than $10,000 in that specific state. This is just the start of the process. As of February 1st, Iowa actually started collecting as well through eBay. Again, eBay collects it, they pay it. There's nothing you have to do. This is just the start. Every state will probably have this on there as time goes by. On April 1st, Connecticut as well will start to collect sales tax through eBay. Again, you don't have to do anything on any of these. And then on May 1st, New Jersey will follow suit, and they will actually start to force eBay to collect sales tax as well. And the final ones that eBay has announced for this year, on July 1st, you've got Alabama, Oklahoma, and Pennsylvania will also be collecting sales tax through eBay. But again, there's nothing you have to do. There's nothing you have to worry about. It's going to be the same process you did all along. eBay will handle everything, as I've been saying this whole time. So again, you need to check. You need to read into every one of these updates that eBay does. There's nothing major, nothing urgent going on for the most part. But again, if you didn't pay attention, you didn't know this was going on. So again, follow through, read eBay's updates, read the policies, read whatever is going on in the sites. Pay attention to this. Know what's going on, because at some point you're probably going to get a question, why am I being billed for sales tax on this? Your answer is going to be that that's the law. So again, nothing to worry about, nothing to panic about. But if you don't know what's going on, you're going to be at a loss when somebody asks you about these questions. So anyway, this is just a quick one here. Pay attention to the rules. Hopefully you liked the video. If you did, please hit the like button down below. You can also hit the bell icon to be notified when I post new content or go live. Subscribe and tell a friend.